Well, hello. Been a while, right? We're gonna do this mukbang style. There's a guy on YouTube here. His name is Quan Trang. Lives in Canada, Vietnamese, and he cooks his take on many different cultures of food. Indian, of course, he does pho. He's Vietnamese. Indian, Japanese, sometimes Filipino, and his number one thing is cooking fried chicken. Fried chicken, and he'll finish cooking and he'll have it all laid out in a feast because he cooks a lot, and then he talks about whatever he wants to after the cooking. And so after so many times of seeing that video, I finally got myself some fried chicken. It's gonna be the first one in a while. I miss that taste. Oh yeah, that's good. So we're gonna do this mukbang style, where the video has me eating, and talking to you. Let's catch you up from the therapy vlogs I was putting in January to now. To get happiness, it takes effort, and I think, and I'm finding out that with my personality, balance is happiness. Well, before before January, when the year 2017 was coming to a close, I was on such a high of creating bonds, vibing better with people, classes, teaching was going good. And in December, I felt I felt it going down. I didn't know what. I didn't change any of my actions. None of it. And it hit rock bottom when someone special in my life left because person was going to go to school. And I've I've had that happen to me before, but this one hit me hard. And so I took wrong action. I made wrong action, and now we're at a stalemate. Text messages are not being returned. Social media has been unfriended, blocked. No, not blocked. I can still see the profile. And it hurts. And January came the big, huge drop from way up there to the center of the earth, to hell. And so, balance. I've come off of it. I'm good. Not bad. And the way I've been balancing is I don't want to have such high highs anymore. That's that's such a human thing to want a lot, which ends up being too much of a good thing. As high as you go, the higher you go, the more equal the drop's gonna be. So you're going from this, so that's your life. And those lows are gonna hit you harder. So what I have been and still working on is a graph more like this. So the highs aren't so high and joyous and manic because it will keep in check the lows when the lows hit. And what I've been doing to do that is on days like today, today is Sunday. This is a day I'm off work. Even though after I'm done eating this, I got some work to do to prepare for Monday. But that's okay because I'm by myself and I get to think. So I'm off work. I allow my emotions to come out. I don't want to control my emotions so much. I want to live with them. Have I become a more emotional person? Yes. And what's changed from high school life and college life is that I'm not ashamed to show the emotion. Not ashamed. There are, of course, going to be, say, appropriate time to show emotion, but if it's not that bad or not that inappropriate, I'll let it go. Within reason. Within reason. That chicken is good. And so I've made good enough progress. I'm continuing to make better bonds with people, stronger bonds. People who are leaving my life for a while or forever. I've gotten better at it. Do I miss them? Of course. Natural human emotion. And for these people, as I know I can contact them. Social media is that much better now. Just yesterday, I was surprised by my adult students. They set up a Korean barbecue trip in honor of my upcoming birthday and my belt promotion that I never celebrated but wanted to. That was nice. First time in a while. Ever since second grade, that was my second ever surprise party. And then I got another parent set up a bowling trip for the actual birthday. My birthday is on my day off on a Tuesday, so that's cool. That's cool. So that'll be a lot of fun. So here's my take on a few things. So I told you about the graph. The higher the high, the lower the low. And that's not something that you want. Come on, focus. Focus. Come on. There you go. Which I think everyone can benefit from. Absolutely. God, this chicken's good. I haven't eaten fried chicken in months. Oh yeah. Diet. Touch and go there. Sometimes I'm good, sometimes I'm not. Today, I just want to kill the craving so that I can go on another few months without eating fried chicken. So good. Okay, let me stop this for a little bit. So, I'm gonna turn 37 in 2 weeks. Actually, 9 days now. 9 more days. And enough people know. And I'm gonna look at it without expecting anything. So, like last night's surprise was cool. Let's see what people do. I've put enough attention to it on social media, made references to it, of course. And so we'll just see what they do. We'll see what the future holds. Let's see if there's any more people gonna come back into my life. Maybe more people are gonna leave my life. And all of it's gonna be within that central line of the graph. So there's no deep lows anymore. I'm not saying there never will be. If someone close to me passes away, that's gonna be an instant low. No, knock on wood. Okay, I got some work to do. I'm gonna finish up my lunch, get to work, and start the new season of Taekwondo just right. Talk to you later.